Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I received my Boxycharm. So if you want to see what I received in this month's June box unboxing, then keep on watching. Okay, so Boxycharm is a $21 a month monthly subscription. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it comes with 4 to 5 full-size items, but lately we've been getting about 6 items, so that's totally cool for Boxycharm. It's one of the best subscription boxes that I've come across, so that's why I continue to do my Boxycharm unboxings till I see that people get bored of them. And I'm really into spoilers, so if you're not aware, I do post spoilers. There's already some out for July that are already totally amazing, and I just can't wait for the July box. So I'm barely opening the June box, and I just can't wait for the July box already. So if you're interested in seeing some spoilers, then don't forget to check out those spoilers, and I put some links in the bottom so you can check them out. Okay, so this is how I received my box. Oops, I'm already messing up. Okay, so I really like the way we received this pamphlet. Normally it's just like a one card, but I like how it's been coming. So this is the theme for this month, and then it has the items that I received in the box with the brief description and the total prices. In the back, this is new and totally cool. If you go ahead and scan this little barcode thing with your phone, it takes you directly to the Boxycharm site. So that's totally cool and new. And I think that's all about the back. Okay, so let's get into the box. I'm going to go ahead and just randomly pull out the first item. And this is really cool because it's 3 brushes, but this month it counted as 1 item. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we actually received 6 items this month, but plus 2 extra brushes. So that's 8 items. I count them as 8 items. So I think that's totally cool. These are the Luxie brushes, which I really love Luxie brushes. And thank you to Ipsy and to Boxycharm, because without the subscription boxes and the bag, I would have not ever heard of or tried the Luxie brushes. And I really like these. I love the color. This is the pink with the rose gold. They're very soft. I don't care. I like brushes. I know a lot of people complain because you get so many brushes, but I'm very lazy when it comes to washing my brushes. I don't wash them very often. So I have a lot of brushes. So I really do enjoy having these, especially when you put so many products. You have different brushes, you know, for different options. Everybody likes just something different. See, there you go. I'm rambling again. Okay, so this is the Precision Foundation Brush, which I really don't think I would use that as a foundation brush, but the brushes, you can use them as you like. I would probably just kind of use this as maybe setting powder or something like that. I don't even know. Maybe it would be a good blush brush. We'll try it. Then we have the tapered highlighter brush, which the brush that I use for my highlighting is a lot smaller, but similar to this. I could try it. It probably would blend out really well. I don't really like big gobs of highlight. I like more of the natural look, so maybe this would blend it out really well other than the smaller brush that I use. So I would love to try this one. I really like also how it has the white at the tip. That's something that I also like with these brushes. Okay, so this next one is a dual fiber powder brush. It's a bit small for a powder brush. As you can see, it's maybe like 2 fingers. But I'm sure, I do have a foundation brush that's similar to this, but I'm sure I'll find a use for it. So for that trio, it has a retail price of $42 for the complete package. So that's really good. So $42, you've already doubled your box. And the next item I have, which I was really excited and I wasn't sure if we were going to receive it, is this Bum Bum Cream. And I'm totally going to Sol de Janeiro. I don't know if I butchered that, but there you go. They do come in a bigger size, but this is the smaller size. And this is, it smells so good. I love tropical scents, and this has like coconut maybe in it. I don't know if it says fast absorbent cream, helps tighten and smooth like no other. Okay, this is kind of small. If I like it, maybe I'll try a bigger one because I got a big booty. And if I'm going to smooth out and tighten anything, it's going to be my booty, and this is only going to be able to do like 2 applications on my booty. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll buy the full size and really try it out. Okay, so that one retails for $10. Okay, the next thing I have is this Ofra, and I love Ofra lipsticks. This is the long-lasting liquid lipstick. And this is a really pretty packaging. I hope the camera picks it up. But this is like a dark, I don't know what that would be. Looks like a bronze color. I don't know. But it's really, really cute. Or pretty. And it feels heavy. This is very luxurious looking. Oops. Okay, so here is the color. So it's like a darker brown, which I don't mind at all. If I do want to lighten it up or add more color to it, I always top it with something else. When it comes to lipstick, it can't go wrong no matter what color it is. And that one retails for $21. Okay, so that was already 3 items. So we have 2 more. The next one I'm going to show you is, I love this little package. These are the Baddington lashes. Look at that. Those are a little thin, but I do like them. And most of all, I really like the case because my lashes are thrown everywhere. In the car, I have some just laying by me in the living room, and then I throw them away. And I know lashes are reusable at least 2-3 times, and I am always losing them. So I really like this because it's like a nice little case to continue saving your lashes. So I do like that. And these, I've never tried this product, or brand, I should say. And that retails for $28. So I'm excited to use them. There's always going to be the summer a nice occasion, and that's when I use my higher end lashes. And then I've already received this brand a few times. Jaunette Bleu. This is an eyeliner, but this time I normally receive black, but this time I received brown, which I really like because I think sometimes brown is like a nice everyday look when you're trying to do something casual, kind of, I don't know, I like it, especially because I'm lighter and I have brown hair. Well, my hair isn't, it's natural color. So I do really like that. So I don't know if you can see that. That's like dark brown. And I think this is like the second or third liner from, I think one of them I received was a lipstick. Maybe I'm wrong. But this is like the second or third product in this brand that I received. And that retailed for $5. And last but not least is the item that I've been waiting for. I wish I had my editing system down. Maybe I can fix this, but this is when I would do the sound effects. Dun 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 dun. Okay. I'm going to butcher this. I don't remember what it's called. Alamar. That's the I. But There it is. And this is a brand that Gabby, one of the main makeup artists, is from Boxycharm, designed and made. This is her new brand, and if you're not familiar with Gabby, I'm going to also leave her link below, because she does represent Boxycharm. And if you really haven't heard of this palette or her, then I don't know, you must be living under a rock. So this is her palette, and look, you can see my finger swatches in it already. I've already tested it out. I'll go ahead and insert a clip for my swatches for you, but look at those colors. Oh my goodness. No, I'm just going to go ahead and do some live for you right now. Okay, so this blue, look at that. Oh, this is a really good palette. There's been some palettes that I've received in Boxycharms that they're okay. I won't complain, but this I just love. Look at that orange. And I've been really wanting color. We've had so many nudes and warm tones, and it's, I mean, this palette, like, it just, I know that one came on, looks a little more patchy, but I will be doing a makeup review on it, and we'll see how they actually come on. Let's do one more. Ooh, let's get this shimmer right here. Oh, look at that. Okay, let's do one more shimmer. Okay. I'm going to do, I pretty much did the whole palette. Oh, well, I should just do the whole palette. Look at that other one. I'm sorry, I'm not even seeing the names. I'm like so excited. And I've already swatched this palette, and I'm still excited. But I'll put all the names in the description. Or actually, I'll post at the end of this video a name for you. If you don't already know, there's that one. I'd like to show you so you can get the names right there. Because I failed to tell you as I was swatching. Look at that. That is just, you know, yeah. That is just beautiful. Beautiful. I'm so excited. Can't wait to use this. So that is the palette. And that retailed for $28, which is a good price. It doesn't have a mirror, but I really don't care. I know a lot of people complain that palettes don't have mirrors, but I really don't even use them. I can't see very well, so I prefer just using my big old mirror for eyeshadow. So that is everything, and I'm really bad at math. Normally I stop the video and add all this up and make it seem like I did quick math, so bear with me. We're going to tell you what the value of this is. Oh no, this is going to take me forever. I'm going to just go ahead and try to post it somewhere at the end of this video, how much my box value, because I can't add all this up. I feel the pressure. So there you go. That's my box for June. Let me know what you think. Did you like it? Did you get anything different than I received? I believe, I don't remember if I've seen any other items people receiving. I think they might have been all the same. Maybe the lipstick. People got different variations on the lipstick. That I do remember. So let me know what you got, what variation you got, if you liked it, if you've tried this freaking palette, and what you thought. Like, I'd love to see some pictures. So my Instagram is in the link below. So check it out. Friend request me or whatever it is that you do on Instagram, so this way I can go ahead and see your looks, because I really want to see how your looks turned out if you use this palette. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and it didn't bore you to death. So remember, you're beautiful, you're amazing, you're a blessing from God, and don't let anybody tell you any different. As always, I love you and have a blessed day.